Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Last week, we learned about what can you do? That was part 2 of our lesson. Let's review the action words that we've learned. Stand or stand up. Sit or sit down. Cook. Dance. Swim. Jump. Okay, so those are the action words that we have learned last week. Now, let's review and answer the question, what can you do? And you have here, the example is, I can drink. Okay, let's answer this question. I'll be asking and then you answer. What can you do? Good. What can you do? Great. What can you do? Excellent. Let's have more. What can you do? What can you do? Okay, good. What can you do? Great. Now today, we will learn the places. Okay? Bank. Bank. Church. Church. Hospital. Hospital. Market. Market. Mosque. Mosque. Temple. Temple. School. School. Again, please. Bank. What is this? Church. Hospital. Market. Mosque. Mosque. Temple. Temple. School. School. Now let's proceed to our question. This is part 1 of our lesson. Where are you going? Where are you going? So just remember those places that we have learned. To answer this question, let's have an example, okay? Where are you going? So to answer this question, look at the picture that I will be providing, and then you can identify. Then answer like this. I am going to the school. I'm going to the school. Or I am going to school. It's okay. Okay. So because you have here the question, where are you going? So the answer for you is I. And then are become and you just copy this one, going, and then where? To school or to the school. Okay. Now let's start. Let's answer these questions. Where are you going? I'm going to the bank. I'm going to the bank. Where are you going? I'm going to the church. I'm going to the church. Where are you going? I'm going to the hospital. I'm going to the hospital. Okay, let's have more. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. Where are you going? I'm going to the mosque. I'm going to the mosque. Where are you going? I'm going to the temple. I'm going to the temple. Okay, now it's time for you to answer, okay? Now you answer these questions. I will not answer the question. Where are you going? Look at the picture. Okay, that's good. Where are you going? Now let's see the picture. Look at the picture and then identify it and then you answer. That's great. Where are you going? Okay, so you have here the hospital. So how do you answer? Excellent. Okay, let's have more. Where are you going? Okay, so you have already there the picture, market. So what's your answer? Very good. Number 5, where are you going? Okay, this is a mosque. So how do you answer? Great. But number 6, where are you going? Okay, this is familiar to you. Temple. So where are you going? Excellent. Okay, so you've got the answers for those questions. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye.